Yes, AMC is pumping, guys, right now at the market open. And guess what? We pumped toward the $2.60, which is the current resistance where we broke this level. It was the support before Friday and last week. And of course, we broke it. Right now, we retesting it after reversing from this consolidation zone that we did in just 2 days. We did a reversal of almost 10%. So what's gonna happen, guys? And is this a test is significant or not? It's time to buy. Where the price will go? We're gonna discuss it right now. Before we go further, as usual, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And for now, as you can see, guys, here we got a major test for the 260. If you don't remember, guys, we already discussed AMC yesterday and every day, not just today. We just said we got double top here around this level, the $3. It was significant, of course, because this is the level that we test back in June, mid of June, before the earnings and after the earnings in beginning of August. However, we established a new resistance where the short seller added their position. So if we don't break this level by today or this week, it means the short seller is stronger and we might continue to go to the $2.12. However, if we held over it, which right now we're retesting it at the market open, where I'm doing this update, is mean AMC ready to reverse toward the $3. This is really significant level, guys. It's not that important like the $3 squeeze level, but at least this is the first level that confirm us that the short seller is weakening or covering out around this level. If they cover by today, will be even a good sign that AMC might squeeze by the next week, and of course before the end of this month. Every time AMC have significant move will be at the beginning of the month or in the mid of the month. Right now we are on the 13th of August. Last time when we tested this level was around the mid of June, and here it was in the beginning of August. And of course, now we are in the mid of August, will be a significant turning point, of course, for AMC to break this level. And by the beginning of September, we might have the explosion over 33 and arrive around the 4. So it's not by coincidence this kind of level been tested. It's been like planned already for AMC. We're gonna confirm that, of course, by today and tomorrow if we broke this level for AMC and held over. We don't want to have this reaction, guys. Right now we're testing it, of course, but 1 hour still, the 1 hour candle didn't close yet. So we need to hold over here and consolidate to confirm the breakout for AMC to go toward the $3. The volume is a bit light, but of course this will pick up by the later by today. And of course, once we hit the $3 and breaking it, this will confirm, of course, the squeeze toward the $4 and the $5.55. Hopefully before the end of this month to give us another squeeze toward the $10 is the psychological level, for my opinion, for AMC to go to before the second earning by this year.